Now we will solve questions from problem set 6. Question number 1. Choose correct alternative answer and fill in the blanks. First sub question. Radius of a circle is 10 centimeter and distance of a chord from the center is 6 centimeter. Hence the length of the chord is blank. First option is given 16 centimeter, second is 8 centimeter, third is 12 centimeter and fourth is 32 centimeter. So what is given? Radius of a circle is 10 centimeter and distance of a chord from the center is 6 centimeter. Hence the length of the chord is. So 10 square is 100 and 6 square is 36. Use here Pythagoras theorem. So 100 minus 36 is 64. So square root of 64 is 8. So half of the chord is 8. So length of the chord is 16 centimeters because perpendicular drawn from center to the chord bisects the chord. So the length of the chord is 16 centimeters. So A option is correct, that is 16 centimeter. Second sub question. The point of concurrence of all angle bisectors of a triangle is called the centroid, circumcenter, incenter or orthocenter. So answer is incenter. The point of concurrence of all angle bisectors of a triangle is called the incenter. Third sub question. The circle which passes through all the vertices of a triangle is called circumcircle, incircle, congruent circle or concentric circle. So the circle which passes through all the vertices of a triangle is called circumcircle. So A option is correct, that is circumcircle. First, fourth sub question. Length of a chord of a circle is 24 centimeter. If distance of the chord from the center is 5 centimeter, then the radius of that circle is, what is given? Length of a chord of a circle is 24 centimeter. Okay, so half of 24 is 12. If because perpendicular drawn from center to the chord bisects the chord. If distance of the chord from the center is 5 centimeter, then the radius of that circle is blank. First option is given 12 centimeter, second is 13 centimeter, third one 14 centimeter and fourth option 15 centimeter. Again here use Pythagoras theorem. Half of 24 is 12. So 12 square is 144 and 5 square is 25. So 144 plus 25 is 169 and square root of 169 is 13. So the radius of that circle is 13 centimeter. 13 centimeter. So B option is correct, that is 13 centimeter. Fifth sub question. The length of the longest chord of the circle with radius 2.9 centimeter is, we know diameter is the longest chord. So the length of the longest chord of the circle with radius 2.9 centimeter is, diameter is 2 times of radius. So 2 into 2.9 is 5.8 centimeter. Options are given 3.5 centimeter, 7 centimeter, 10 centimeter and 5.8 centimeter. Diameter is the longest chord and diameter is 2 times of radius. So radius is given 2.9. So 2.9 into 2 is 5.8 centimeter. So the length of the longest chord of the circle with radius 2.9 centimeter is 5.8 centimeter. D option, that is 5.8 centimeter. Now sixth sub question. Radius of a circle with center O is 4 centimeter. Radius is given 4 centimeter. Length OP is given 4.2 centimeter. So say where point P will lie, on the center, inside of the circle, outside the circle or on the circle. Radius is 4 centimeter and length OP is 4.2 centimeter. It is more than length of radius. So where point P will lie? So point P will lie outside the circle. So C option is correct, that is outside the circle. Seventh sub question. The length of parallel chords which are on the opposite sides of the center of a circle are 6 centimeter and 8 centimeter. If radius of the circle is 5 centimeter, then the distance between its chord is blank. First option 2 centimeter, then 1 centimeter, then 8 centimeter and 7 centimeter. Again, what is given? The length of parallel chords which are on opposite side of the center of a circle are 6 centimeter and 8 centimeter. Length of one chord is 6 centimeter and length of other chord is 8 centimeter. And radius of the circle is given 5 centimeter. So for when length of the chord is 6 centimeter, half of 6 is 3 centimeter. Perpendicular drawn from center to the chord bisects the chord. So half of 6 is 3 centimeter. So 5 square is 25 and 3 square is 9. So 25 minus 9 is 16 and square root of 16 is 4. So distance of one chord from the center is 4 centimeter. And for second one, length of chord is given 8 centimeter. Half of 8 is 4 centimeter. So again use Pythagoras theorem. 5 square is 25 and 4 square is 16. So 25 minus 16 is 9 and square root of 9 is 3. So other chord is at a distance of 3 centimeter. So what is given? First chord, that chord is at a distance of 4 centimeter from the center of the circle, and second chord is at a distance of 3 centimeter from the center of the circle. So the distance between this chord is 4 plus 3 is 7 centimeter. So D option is correct, that is 7 centimeter.